Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's Miz Sandy, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to use Brazilian wool to achieve these beautiful coils, and also how to use it to make an Afro coily bun. So don't go anywhere, kindly stick around because you might as well want to see the whole process. So this is how it is looking like, but I'm sure you also want to know how I use Brazilian wool, because most of you would be like, Brazilian wool? Yes, I use Brazilian wool. It's actually the new Brazilian wool anyways, that comes in 3 in a pack. And so this is the process. This is how I'm doing it. I basically just took it and then I just use my discretion to at least know the length. But this is the straw that I'm using, and the reason why I'm using thread to like secure the ends, because it actually has a hook, but I don't know where I kept mine. I've had this for like a long time, so this is basically how I was able to use it to, like, you know, use thread to like secure it. So you want to just, you know, take the coiler and just, you know, move around it like so until you're done with the whole like number of hairs you want. If you want the Afro coily to, like, you know, be a lot, then you have to do more than what you can see right on the screen. So I basically just, you know, use my hot water, and then I added Mega Protective Oil. I just love the oil because it has a way of making the hair silky and, you know, prevents it from, like, you know, tangling and all of that. So this is basically how to do it. As you can already see how the coils is popping, very beautiful. So this is basically a go-to hairstyle, and this is how I was able to, like, you know, do the Afro bun. So this is basically like a crochet method, but I'm using a split knot method to like achieve this. I don't know if you understand what I mean by split knots method, but just stick around so that you can actually understand what I mean. So when you cut the coils your desired length, you just want to take the crochet pin and then just pass around, and then this is what I mean by split knot. Like, I just, you know, pass it around, then I just secure just one end of the coil like so. That is just all. This method would make it appear fuller. So anyways guys, I'm sure you're liking what you're seeing already, so kindly hit the like button so that you can actually see other of my videos as they pop on your screen when I post. And do make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and hit the notification bell so as to get updated when I post new videos. So guys, let's move on to what this video really is about. So this is basically what you'll be doing until you're done filling all the space that is left. So you just want to keep crocheting until you are done. So guys, just keep on watching. So guys, this is how it is looking already. Very beautiful. Just right after you're done cutting and trimming to your desired size of Afro, this is how it is gonna be looking like, smaller or bigger depending on you. So lovelies, I'm sure you guys will be like wondering how to like put this on the hair. This is very simple. Right after you're done, you know, putting your hair in a bun or a low bun, you just want to use bobby pin to just, you know, pin it down. But just don't go anywhere, just keep on watching so that you can see how I was able to install this coily crochet Afro bun using Brazilian wool to my hair, guys. So if you still haven't given this video a thumbs up, kindly do that, because this helped my video to get to a large number of people. So lovelies, kindly do that right now. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. You guys are the best. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel so that you can be part of this big wonderful family where I'll be showing you a lot of DIYs. So you don't want to miss out on anything. Kindly subscribe right now and hit the notification bell so as to get updated when I post new videos. So this is basically what I'm doing. If you're the type that like baby hairs, or should I say edges, you can as well do that, or you can just leave it without putting any baby hair. So this is the Afro. So I'm just gonna put this right, I'm just gonna tuck it right on my head like so, and I am going to be making use of my bobby pin to just secure it. So that is basically it. You can use one bobby pin or two bobby pin. It all depends on how secure it is on your head when you like put it on. So that is basically it, looking so beautiful, like a messy coily crochet bun. So that is it, lovelies. Let me know what you think about this video, and I'll see you lovelies in my next post. Bye.